To install Eyeli on your tablet or phone, open Chrome and go to app.eyeli.com. Once the page loads, a pop-up will appear. You can click Install right there, or look at the top right corner of your browser for the download icon. When the next prompt appears, simply click Install. Now, if you return to your home screen, you'll see the Eyeli logo. The app is officially installed and ready for you to log in. Installing the Eyeli app on your laptop follows the exact same process. Open Chrome and head to app.eyeli.com. In the top right corner of the address bar, click the download icon that says Install Eyeli. Click Install on the pop-up, and Chrome will automatically launch the app in a new dedicated window. You'll now find the Eyeli logo on your desktop, confirming the installation is complete.